Welcome back to SAM Official Tech, your go-to source for all things technology. Today, we'll explore how automation is rapidly transforming industries and helping businesses scale to new heights. From streamlining workflows to enhancing productivity, automation plays a vital role in shaping the future of work. We'll look into how these advancements are making industries more efficient, innovative, and scalable. So, let's dive right in. In manufacturing, automation has revolutionized the production process. From robotic arms that assemble cars with pinpoint accuracy to conveyor systems that optimize product handling, automation is reducing human error and increasing output. Automated systems work around the clock, ensuring higher precision, consistency, and quicker production cycles. Warehouse automation is making inventory management more efficient than ever. Automated guided vehicles (AGVs) and robots assist with picking, sorting, and transporting goods. With automated processes, businesses can fulfill customer orders faster and more accurately, driving higher customer satisfaction and operational growth. Artificial intelligence is making waves in healthcare, automating diagnostic processes, and improving the accuracy of treatments. Automated systems analyze medical images, predict disease outbreaks, and even assist in surgeries. By automating routine medical tasks, healthcare providers can focus more on patient care, reducing costs and improving outcomes. Automation is transforming the financial industry by streamlining processes like loan approvals, risk assessment, and trading. Algorithms now analyze vast amounts of data at lightning speeds, providing real-time insights that enable businesses to make informed decisions. Automated finance ensures that transactions are handled quickly, efficiently, and with minimal human intervention. In agriculture, automation is optimizing everything from planting to harvesting. Tractors, drones, and irrigation systems equipped with AI technology allow farmers to maximize crop yields while minimizing labor costs. Automation is enabling farms to operate more efficiently, helping the agricultural industry grow sustainably. In retail, automation has simplified tasks such as inventory management, order fulfillment, and even customer service. Automated checkout systems, smart shelves, and AI-powered customer service bots streamline the entire shopping experience. This improves customer satisfaction, reduces operational costs, and helps retailers scale their businesses faster. Robotic process automation (RPA) is transforming the banking sector by automating routine tasks like data entry, account maintenance, and transaction processing. With RPA handling these repetitive tasks, banks can improve accuracy and reduce operational costs, allowing them to serve more customers efficiently. The automotive industry has embraced automation in every aspect, from design and testing to manufacturing and assembly. Automated robots perform complex tasks like welding, painting, and assembling parts with incredible speed and accuracy. This reduces production time and costs, allowing automotive companies to meet growing consumer demands. Automation in construction is revolutionizing the industry by enhancing safety and improving project completion times. Autonomous machines like excavators, bricklaying robots, and drones are performing hazardous tasks more efficiently than human labor, leading to fewer accidents and faster project turnaround times. This technology helps construction firms take on more projects and grow their businesses. Customer service automation, powered by AI, is helping businesses provide faster and more efficient responses to customer inquiries. Chatbots and virtual assistants can handle a variety of tasks, from answering questions to processing returns, providing 24/7 support. This allows businesses to enhance customer experiences and scale operations without adding significant staffing costs. Marketing automation tools are revolutionizing how businesses reach their audiences. By leveraging data analytics, these tools can predict customer behavior, automate email marketing campaigns, and even optimize ad placements in real time. This targeted approach allows businesses to increase conversion rates while reducing marketing costs. Automation in logistics is drastically improving the speed and reliability of deliveries. From automated sorting facilities to self-driving trucks and drones, logistics companies are automating their supply chains to meet growing demands. This improves delivery speed, reduces transportation costs, and enhances overall operational efficiency. In the era of big data, automation is essential for analyzing vast datasets quickly and accurately. Automated data analytics tools can identify trends, forecast future sales, and provide actionable insights in real time. Businesses using these tools can make more informed decisions, optimizing their strategies for growth and success. Education is also benefiting from automation, particularly through AI-driven learning platforms. These systems assess individual student performance and tailor lessons to meet each student's needs. Automated grading systems also reduce the time teachers spend on administrative tasks, allowing them to focus on delivering quality education. This technology helps schools and institutions scale their teaching capabilities. Automation is making its way into homes through smart devices that manage everything from lighting and security to temperature control and home entertainment. Home automation provides convenience while increasing energy efficiency, allowing homeowners to save time and money. The adoption of smart home technologies is driving growth in the home automation industry. In energy management, automation is optimizing the use of resources by monitoring energy consumption in real time. Smart grids and energy management systems allow businesses to reduce energy waste and lower costs. This improves customer satisfaction, reduces operational costs, and helps retailers scale their businesses faster. Robotic process automation (RPA) is transforming the banking sector by automating routine tasks like data entry, account maintenance, and transaction processing. With RPA handling these repetitive tasks, banks can improve accuracy and reduce operational costs, allowing them to serve more customers efficiently. The automotive industry has embraced automation in every aspect, from design and testing to manufacturing and assembly. Automated systems also facilitate predictive maintenance, ensuring that equipment operates efficiently and with minimal downtime. Legal firms are leveraging automation to review contracts, perform legal research, and even generate documents. Automated tools reduce the time spent on repetitive tasks, enabling law firms to serve more clients with greater accuracy and efficiency. This technology is helping legal services grow by increasing their capacity to handle complex cases. Thank you for joining us on SAM Official Tech, as we explored the power of automation in reshaping industries. It's clear that automation is driving efficiency, boosting growth, and transforming how businesses operate. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tech trends. We'll see you in the next video.